We'll guide you through how to animate in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer and start a new project by going to File, then New. Set your canvas size and resolution according to your animation needs. Once your project is ready, go to the animation workspace by selecting it from the top right corner where the workspaces are listed. This will open up the timeline and animation dockers, which are essential for creating animations. To start animating, you need to create a new layer specifically for animation. You can do this by clicking on the plus icon in the Layers panel and selecting Add Animation Layer. With your animation layer selected, head down to the Timeline Docker. Here, you can add new frames by right-clicking on the frame you want to work on and selecting New Frame. Each frame acts like a single piece of your animation, and you can draw on each one to create movement. Use the onion skin feature to see faint outlines of your previous frames, which helps you maintain consistency in motion. You can toggle this feature on by clicking the onion skin icon in the Timeline Docker. Once you've drawn a few frames, you can play back your animation by clicking the play button at the bottom of the Timeline Docker. If you want to adjust the speed of your animation, you can change the frame rate by clicking on the frame rate settings, usually found near the play controls. When you're happy with your animation, you can export it by going to File, then Render Animation. Choose your format, such as GIF or MP4, and Krita will create your animation file. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.